children, in this class we will start with the new lesson, that is lesson number 14, the sky. All of you have watched the sky, right? In the morning, what we will see? We will see the sun in the sky. And in the night time, we see so many stars. That is, in the night time, the sky will be in the dark color and the stars will be brightening. And here we will see about the sky. What are the things in the sky? About the planets we will learn here. And in the sky we have seen the shooting stars. In the rainy season what we see? Thunders, lightnings, cyclonic winds, rain, etc. that are common. And we are eagerly waiting to see the rain also. And in the night time, in the evening time, we will be eagerly waiting to see the moon. In the morning time, we will be eagerly waiting to see the sun. Sun, its family. The sun and its family is known as the solar system. What is the solar system? Solar system, it consisting of the sky, stars and the planets. Planet is nothing but our Earth. Earth is also planet, and there are other planets also that revolve around the sun. It comprises of the 8 planets, 173 satellites, thousands of the asteroids, meteorites and the comets. Okay, what are these planets we have found? Satellites we know, asteroids, meteorites and comets. Asteroids, meteorites and comets, these are the small stars. They are the brightening stars. They are of the irregular shape. They do not have any kind of the shapes. Meteoroids and asteroids. Whereas the comets, they are the biggest celestials. They are also the stars. They too do not have the any kind of the shapes. They will also be in the sky, but we won't see it. We are not able to see the shape of it because we are very far away from that. And comets are the icy bodies. First we will see about the sun. The sun is a star and it is closer to the earth and than any other stars, and it is very big and also it is very bright, so that only in the morning the sun rays gives the light to us, right? And it is the center of the solar system, because if the sun is here, the entire solar system is around the sun, and they are all revolving around the sun in its orbit. Means orbit is nothing but some place, some boundary of the place they are revolving, all the planets. The sun provides light, heat to us. It appears to rise in the east and set in the west. Okay, the sun rises in the east and it sets in the west. Do we not feel that the sun is moving around the earth? Yes. How will you feel that the sun is moving around the earth? Okay, whenever you play merry-go-round or whenever you play some round kind of the things, after stopping, what you will see, you will feel that you are moving. So that shows that our earth is revolving around the sun, and the heat and the light of the sun is essential for the human beings, plants and also animals, because plants require sunlight for its growth, and the sunlight provides the food for the plants. Then we will go with the planet. What are these planets? They are the celestial bodies that are revolving around the sun and in an elliptical orbit. In some orbit they are revolving, so it is called as the planet. Every planet has its own path of the movement, which is known as an orbit. It means that some planets move on its axis, some planets move on its orbit. Different type of orbits are having of the different type of the planets. So all planets are not moving in a same orbit. They are having different type of orbit, but they are moving around the sun only. The planets are non-luminous bodies. They receive light and heat from the sun. Okay, the planet does not have any kind of the light or the heat in them. So the sun provides the light and heat to the each and every planet. The earth, it is our home and it is unique planet. Yes, because it is also, this is our earth where we live. Okay, this is the outer picture of our earth, and it is a unique planet because the earth is the only planet that has the life in it. Life is nothing but the human beings, animals, plants, birds, they are all living in only the earth among the 8 planets, and it is having life, temperature, ideal conditions, and it is also supportive for the all kind of the climatic conditions. This is the shape of the earth, as you can see, South Pole, North Pole, equatorial diameter, polar diameter. Okay, 12,714 kilometers. It is the south to north, and here equatorial, that is east to west, it is having 12,757 kilometers. This is the shape of the earth, and it is flattened, little flattened at the poles. For example, like the egg shape, it is little flattened at the poles. These are the poles. This ending point are called as the poles of the earth, especially these two. These are the poles of the earth, and it is little bulge. And this shape of the earth is called as the geoid shape. What is the shape of the earth is called? It is called as the geoid shape. And the size of the earth is 12,557 kilometers from the polar diameters and 12,714 kilometers from south to north pole. Okay, this is the size of the earth. The earth is in spherical shape. The total surface area of the earth is 510 million square kilometers. This is the solar system. As I said, it consisting of the 8 planets. As you can see, sun is at the middle. All the planets are revolving around the sun on its own orbit. Orbit is nothing but, as you can see, an imaginary line is drawn here. Okay, the planet move on this orbits. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and also Uranus. So how many planets are there in the solar system? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total how many planets are there? 10 planets. But leaving the sun at the middle, we have 9 planets. Write the name of the planets in order. Write all the names. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter. Which is the nearest planet to the sun? As you can see, it is Mercury. In which planet do we live? We live in Earth. Which is the biggest planet in the solar system? Sun is the biggest planet in the solar system. Which is the smallest planet in the solar system? Mercury is the smallest planet. Which is the fastest planet from the sun? Farthest planet from the sun? As you can see, Uranus and also Neptune. It is very far away from the sun. What position has the planet Earth from the sun? As you can see, sun, it is having Mercury, Venus, then it comes with the Earth, third position. The earth has the 2 movements. As you can see, the movement of the earth, they are the rotation and also the revolutions. The earth spin continuously. Spin is nothing but, have you all paid top is nothing but buggery. How it spins? It spins on its axis, right? It spins on its own axis. Like that way only the earth takes the rotations around the sun. Okay, the earth also revolves around the sun along its orbit. This is called as the revolutions. The earth continues to rotate on its axis while it is revolving around the sun. It revolves on its orbits while it is revolving around the sun, as you can see here. So the day and night. So we have found that the earth is revolving around the sun, but how the days and nights are formed on the earth? See, if this is the sun, the earth is revolving around the sun, as I have said you. When it is revolving around the sun, it moves on its orbit, right? So this part of the earth will be this part of the earth will be having the sun rays. But what about the other part of the earth? It does not have any sun rays, because the sun rays falls like this, right? It falls only on this part. So the half part of the earth will be having the sunlight, and the other part of the earth will be having the night, as in the other out of the countries you can say. It is having night, it is having the day. The earth is marvelous. Why the earth is marvelous? Because among the 8 planets or the 9 planets, the earth is the only planet that have life, and also it has some factors that help the life to sustain: air, water, food. This is the main factors that are on the earth. Okay, here are some other planets. Now we have learnt about the earth. Now we will see about Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mercury, it is the nearest planet to the sun, as we have seen in the solar system, and it has no water and it is the hottest planet. So it has the dry climatic conditions because it is nearer to the sun. So all the sun rays are flattened on it only. It has a rocky surface, large craters, mountains. It revolves around the sun faster than any other planet. Okay? And it is, the color of the Mercury is brown. Venus, it is the second planet from the sun and smaller than the earth. And it is the brightest planet in the solar systems, and it is also known as morning star, silver star and evening star, because it just twinkles like the stars. Mars, it is the 4th planet from the sun and is also known as the red planet. It is having the red soil due to the iron oxide, and it is huge volcanic character, giant canyons and canals. The canals are known as a dry as dust. Does it look like a desert? Does it look like a desert? Because it is having the red soil and it is volcanic cactus, giant cyclones and also canals. Jupiter, it is the 5th planet from the sun and the largest planet in the solar system. Okay, which is the largest planet? Jupiter is the largest planet, and the red planet is Mars, brightest planet is Venus, and the brown planet is Mercury, that is hottest planet. Saturn, it is the 6th planet from the sun and the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. It is also made up of the gases, thousands of the rings of the ice, rock, dust, and that are beautiful and attractive. So in this, Saturn is very beautiful and it is also attractive. Uranus, it is the 7th planet from the sun. Like Jupiter and Saturn, it is made up of gases. It is seen as a blue-green disk. How it is seen? Blue-green disk. It has rings which are opaque. It is covered by the thick clouds. Okay? Next is Neptune. It is the 8th planet from the sun. It is composition is similar to that of the Uranus, as you can icy bodies and also ring formations and thicky clouds it is having. It is the coldest planet because it is very far away distance from the sun. That is the last planet from the sun. So it is very cold because the sun rays are not reached easily at Neptune. So here they have given the planets, the number of rotations and also revolutions. We will see Earth, that is 24 hours. One rotation it takes 24 hours. So we are having 12 hours we are having day and 12 hours we are having night. And the rotation is 365 days, that is 1 year. We consider it as 1 year, right? 365 days. Okay, next class we will do with the another video.